usually we perceive this genre to be like an American creation, but I think it actually started in ancient Mesopotamia, and later I think there was also one in Greece. I think the Greek one was called Lycaon or something like that. And then I think the first film in the genre was in by Hollywood, 1940, The Wolf Man. लेकिन उन्होंने obviously इस अंदाज में किया कि basically वो जो mythology है वो उनकी हो गई. तो मेरा सवाल वही अमर जी से है, and I would like Varun and Preeti, you all can also chip in. हमारे लिए भी कितना ये ज़रूरी है कि जब हम कुछ ऐसा एक कॉन्सेप्ट लाए जो एक नेचुरल नहीं है हमारे कल्चर को, और उसे किस मतलब उसके लिए एक उसको इंडियनाइज बनाना आज के सेंसिबिलिटी से. और मतलब कुछ हमने जैसे शायद पास्ट में देखे होंगे कि कई बार ये चीज़ जो जॉनर होता है कि वो एक भेड़चाल हो जाती है. तो आप लोगों के जहन में भी शायद ये होगा कि टू एंश्योर दैट कि ये चीज़ एक भेड़चाल ना हो, इस पे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
It's a very good question actually, and one of the things that even convinced me about this so much was जब हम लोग अरुणाचल में हम लोग ने ज़ीरो करके एक विलेज में शूट किया वहाँ पे, एंड वहाँ पे एक फोकलॉर है, एक स्टोरी है यापुम के बारे में. So
ये बेसिकली जो आप बोल रहे हैं हॉलीवुड से आया है, ये मतलब उन्होंने ले लिया, ये ऐसा नहीं, हमारी कहानियाँ हैं, ये हमारी कहानियाँ भी हैं. जो अगर आप पूरी पिक्चर देखोगे तो उसमें जब हम लोग लिख रहे थे तो हमको ये नहीं मिला था कि क्या हम लोग डालें इसमें, बेस अंदर क्या डालें. तो मैं और नीरेन जब वहाँ रेकी करने गए तो हमारी कहानी ऊपर ऊपर से थी. जब हम वहाँ पे गए, मैं ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाऊँगा क्योंकि फिल्म आई नहीं है, तो जब हम वहाँ देखने गए, वहाँ बात की लोगों से, तो वहाँ पे इतनी चीज़ें हमको वहाँ की पता चली जो फिल्म में हैं, जो आपको लगेगा ये यहीं की कहानी है. तो वहाँ पे यापुम करके एक है चीज़ जो फिल्म में है, किसी तरीके से हमने इंक्लूड करी है उसको. उसमें क्या होता था कि अगर मैं कितना बोल सकता हूँ मुझे मालूम नहीं.
Let me actually give you an analogy. So we have forgotten what our culture is. The Kohinoor was ours, na? But it went out. So a lot of stuff has gone from us out and we've forgotten. We constantly look at the West and said it was there. This is a complete Indian legend from Arunachal. So I think it's about time we also, our country is so diverse with so many cultures and has more stories than anywhere. So since the last 7 years, what we've tried to do is bring our stories out. We can't say much, but when you watch the film, it's 100% Indian in its origin. And it's time we remind ourselves that we have a lot of stories.
Varun, this question is for you. Here. Can you see me? Here. Yeah. I'm not going to say left or right because I'm sure I'm going to be wrong. Okay. This question is for you. When you said that you didn't have any one-liners, the funny ones, but when you have actors like Deepak Dobriyal and Abhishek around, and they have their one-liners, how do you keep a straight face?
No, I would laugh like crazy. So Abhishek and me, obviously, we are huge Akshay Kumar fans. So anytime before we would do a scene, Abhishek would, we would just do the whole scene like we both were Akshay Kumar. So, cut liya tujhe video ne. So he would keep, kar le tu kar le pehle. So, then from there we would go into Bachchan ji, little bit of old school Bachchan.
Basically, they did their comedy off screen so that they don't have to do it on screen.
और फिर कृति आई थिंक उस वक्त बच्चन पांडे की शूटिंग भी कर रही थी या खत्म हो गई थी.
हो गई थी. But I was not imitating Akshay sir, just saying.
But obviously when you think of comedy, so Akshay sir's name is synonymous. I mean he's had such a big impact on an entire generation जहाँ comedy is concerned. तो obviously in the film we are playing characters, but ये हम लोग करते रहते थे. And पालन के बारे में ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है, but he's an amazing singer. और वो बहुत अच्छी मिमिक्री करते हैं. He used to be in a band, no? क्यों नहीं मतलब क्या अभी एक्टर तू बन गया है, अभी तेरे को करना पड़ेगा पब्लिक के सामने.
मैं गाया करता था, अभी कहाँ
हो जाना
नहीं, वो इमिटेट हम सब मस्ती करते हैं तो नहीं. एक है अगर लिरिक्स भूल गया तो माफ कर देना. महफिलें आई और गई, लोग आए और गए, तुम जो आज आए हो. क्या था आगे?
ये गाना हमें भी नहीं आता है.
सॉरी मैन, दैट्स ऑल. कुमार सानू सर का आवाज सुनना है.
अरे हम आई एम सॉरी यू स्टार्टेड दिस क्वेश्चन समवेयर बट दिस वेंट सो एक रात हम
question is not
लोग
my answer.
अरुणाचल में पार्टी करने गए थे तो सब लोग गा रहे थे वहाँ पे क्योंकि अमर लव्स डूइंग कैरियोके तो सब लोग स्टेज पे जाके गा रहे थे एंड मिडिल ऑफ द नाइट 12 बजे सडनली आई सी दीपक सर सिंगिंग एनरिके इग्लेसियस हीरो I swear I'm
Deepak
not
sir, please go ahead. We would also want to listen to this.
थोड़ा गा
यार
दो
वो वहाँ पे क्या था कि पार्टी थी और थोड़ा अरुणाचल की जो
सर थोड़ा सा सर
अरुणाचल
थोड़ा
के
सा।
चावलों से एक राइस वाइन टाइप की कुछ बनती है तो वो उसका सेवन हो चुका था तो क्या था वो एनरिके का पहली लाइन क्या है आई कैन बी योर हीरो
Would you dance?
Would you dance? If I ask you to dance, would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me cry? Would you save my soul tonight? I can be your hero, baby. Oh yeah. अब वो कौन बोलेगा वो कोरस भी तो ऐसी बकवासें चल रही थी तो मतलब हाँ
I have nothing to say.
Did you get your answer? I want to know that. But you got more material.
Hi Varun, Justin here towards your left.
there I can see you. How are you,
Justin here from Indian Express. Varun, of course, congratulations for completing a decade in the industry. How do you look back at these 10 years for you? And can you sort of place us the night before Student of the Year was about to release? What was the mood like and what did you expect things to turn out?
I probably didn't sleep that night, definitely, and woke up at like 7:30 because my father woke up before anyone else. He said, "Oh, aaj pehla din hai wo." And then, and before going for any big launch or anything, like jo mandir hai ghar mein, my mom always makes me do a little prayer over there. I do that, and then मतलब घर में थोड़ा कुछ मीठा दे के फिर भेजते हैं. And my mom used to like tell me so many things. What are you wearing? This is not looking good. Always mummy जो करती है. So just taking the blessings and leaving of I think your loved ones at home. But a lot of butterflies, lot of butterflies. But me coming up on stage and behaving very confident, faking it. And yeah, I don't know if too much has changed since then. I thought I won't feel nervous, but I was nervous. The minute I got here, I was just before coming up, I was telling Kriti, I'm nervous. Yeah, I'm feeling damn excited. I don't know what's happened. Where's this come from?
That's because you can't be calm.
Yeah, I don't know. I want to be calm, but I'm working on being calm.
But you're a senior actor now. I really respect you. I really respect you. And Purana Chawal. You better start behaving like a senior now, okay?
मैं next film में अभी दाढ़ी निकालने वाला हूँ, फिर देखते हैं.
Hi.
Sorry.
We just take one last question.
Varun, hi.
Varun, hi. This is Ravi from ABP News.
Come, we'll take both of yours. You all both say. आप बोलिए फिर you also. आप भी बोलिए. Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone. Shadma this side from Home Bollywood. मेरा सवाल कृति से है. Hi.
Sorry.
Yeah. So last year it was Mimi, and you got a whole lot of appreciation for it. Do you think this year it would be Bhedia for you?
I don't think I can compare the two at all. They're very different roles, very different films in general. तो वो pressure मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ. आप please मुझे मत दो. But I would definitely say this is one of my most special films. It is one of the best scripts that I have read. It is a script that दूसरी बार भी जब मैं script पढ़ रही थी तो मैं पढ़ते हंस रही थी. And I've had a blast shooting this film in Arunachal Pradesh. This look definitely is my most different look, I would say. And yeah, it's been a special journey. I hope this film does extremely well and all of you give all the love to this film. And that's all.
And to Kriti, yeah, come on, she won the Filmfare for Mimi. Come on, guys. It's a big deal. जिन लोगों को नहीं मिला है उनको कैसे लगता है? आप अभिषेक से पूछो.
दिनेश सर आपसे भी.
Hi Varun.
Yeah, दिनेश सर.
सर आ रहा हूँ आपके पास. जी मैम.
Yeah. You know, once again, you're collaborating with Sachin and Jigar once again. So, no doubt you have given some wonderful, they have given some wonderful music to your films. Well, do you find somewhere or the other risk working with them again and again?
एक सेकंड आपने बोला
आपका once again ऐसे लग रहा है कि भेड़िया आ गया है.
No, she said once again you're working with Sachin Jigar. Sachin and Jigar are looking tortured today.
Sachin and Jigar, just come up, please come up.
Because
come up right now. हाँ.
Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. बजाओ यार ताली.
पहले
So I have to tell you that Sachin, Jigar and me have done so many albums that we've forgotten how many times. But every album they approach like it's their first.
इसमें कोई रिस्क नहीं, सिर्फ इश्क है.
इसमें सिर्फ कोई रिस्क नहीं, बस इश्क है, इसलिए उनके साथ काम करते, खत्म.
मतलब ये रिस्क अगर आपने उनको एनलाइटन कर दिया तो शायद अगली फिल्म नहीं करेगी हमारे. बट या वी रियली फील इवन विथ वरुण भाई, आई थिंक दिस इज आवर थर्ड और फोर्थ फिल्म. बट दिनू सर के साथ वी रियली फिफ्थ फिल्म विथ वरुण भाई ऑफ कोर्स. एंड
इज देयर अ रिस्क, वरुण?
Is there a risk? Ask us about the risk when there is Varun Bhai. But with Dino sir, I can tell you he's one guy we can go up and say कि ये गाना करते हैं sir, and he would come up with a better option and tell ये नहीं ये करते हैं. और जैसे कल रात को ये ट्रेलर का म्यूजिक मिक्स हो रहा था, पर एक चांस था कि उसका पूरा म्यूजिक रातों रात बदल भी सकता है. So I think that's the equation we share and we are very
So I think risk unka hai.
Honestly, I'll just only add this much that, you know, fortunately, unfortunately, music, you know, is amongst the first thing that comes out of the curtain to communicate what the film is, and to be, you know, in that position to be able to tell the director and the producer कि शायद ऐसा experiment music में करना है. मतलब जैसे स्त्री की अगर बात करूँ तो would have been easily perceived as a horror film. This could have been perceived as a creature film. But आप इसको already देख रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, like this is a creature comedy. तो ये जो चीज़ें हम अंदर करते हैं, बहुत अंदर बहुत झगड़े वगड़े होते हैं, बहुत मज़ा आता है, प्रोसेस है. But I can tell you this, it is completely risk free. Our combination and our collaboration.
Hi Varun. This is Ravi from ABP News.
The tallest man over here.